Ever wondered how to make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing? Enter Microsoft Sway, an innovative tool that's here to transform the way you present your ideas. Sway is not just a presentation tool, it's a digital storytelling app that lets you create and share interactive reports, personal stories, presentations, and more. With its user-friendly interface, even those at the beginner level can dive right in and start crafting visually appealing stories. Microsoft Sway is flexible and customizable, allowing you to mold your presentation to your unique style. Whether it's for a school project, a business presentation, or a personal blog, Sway has got you covered. And the best part? You don't need to be a design expert to create stunning presentations with Sway. So, are you ready to take your presentations to the next level? Stay tuned to learn how to harness the power of Microsoft Sway. Getting started with Microsoft Sway is a breeze. Just think of it as unlocking a new realm of visual storytelling, where you can create and share interactive reports, presentations, and personal stories. But first things first, to get started, you'll need to create a Microsoft account if you don't have one already. It's as simple as going to the Microsoft homepage, clicking on Sign Up, and following the prompts. Remember, your email address will be your username. Once you've set up your account, it's time to sign in. Head over to the Sway homepage and click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and voila, you're in. Welcome to the world of Sway. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. At the top left of your screen, you'll see the menu button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down with options such as New, Open, Duplicate, Delete, and Share. These are your fundamental tools for managing your Sway projects. On the right side of the screen is the storyboard. This is where you'll add and arrange your content. You'll notice cards. These are the building blocks of your Sway. They can contain text, images, videos, and more. You can easily add, delete, or rearrange these cards to suit your needs. The Design tab at the top is your creative playground. This is where you can personalize your Sway's appearance and layout. Feel free to experiment and explore the various design options here. You might just surprise yourself with the stunning visuals you can create. Now let's not forget the Play button at the top. This is your preview tool. Clicking on it will allow you to see your Sway as your audience will. It's a great way to ensure everything looks just as you intended before sharing your masterpiece with the world. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's dive into creating your first Sway. Creating your first Sway is an exciting journey. You're about to embark on a path of visual storytelling that is as simple as it is dynamic. So let's dive right in. The first step in creating your Sway is selecting a theme. This is the overall look and feel of your presentation. Microsoft Sway offers a variety of themes to choose from, each one designed to create a unique visual experience. Whether you want something sleek and modern or prefer a more traditional layout, there's a theme to suit your style. Next, you'll want to add a title. This is the first thing people see when they open your Sway, so make it count. A good title is clear, concise, and compelling. It should give your audience a hint of what's to come, sparking their interest and enticing them to explore further. Now, it's time to introduce your topic. An introductory text sets the stage for your story. It provides context, builds anticipation, and guides your audience through the narrative. Remember, your introduction doesn't have to be lengthy. A few well-chosen sentences can be enough to capture your audience's attention. With the basics in place, let's talk about content. Sway allows you to add different types of content, such as text, images, and videos. Text is ideal for conveying detailed information, while images and videos can add a visual element that brings your story to life. When adding content, think about balance. Too much text can be overwhelming, while too many visuals may distract from your message. To add content, simply click on the Add Content button and select the type of content you wish to include. You can then upload your content or search for it online. Once added, you can easily rearrange, resize, or remove your content as needed. And there you have it. You've just created your very first Sway. Now you have a dynamic and visually appealing presentation that can be shared with anyone, anywhere. Congratulations on creating your first Sway. But what about making it more engaging? Scene script. An engaging Sway is a memorable one. Let's delve deeper into how you can make your Sway not just good but exceptional. A key aspect of creating an engaging Sway is to incorporate a variety of media. Pictures, videos, audio clips, and even embedded documents can all add depth and interest to your Sway. These elements can bring your story to life, providing your viewers with a rich, immersive experience. Now, while adding media is essential, it's equally important to balance your content. A sway that's too heavy on visuals might be overwhelming, while too much text can bore your viewers. So aim for a balance that keeps viewers intrigued without overwhelming them. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and the same holds true for your sway. What else can make your sway engaging? Interactive elements. These could be as simple as a slideshow of images, or as complex as an interactive chart or map. Interactive elements provide a way for your audience to interact with your content, making them active participants rather than passive viewers. But how do we go about adding interactivity? Microsoft Sway makes this easy with its built-in design tools. These tools let you add elements like comparison sliders, stack cards, or even interactive quizzes. A comparison slider can highlight before and after scenarios, stack cards can reveal information step by step, and quizzes can test your audience's understanding or gather their opinions. Speaking of design tools, they're not just for adding interactivity. They're also your allies in making your sway visually appealing. From choosing the perfect color scheme to selecting the right font, these tools can help you create a sway that's as pleasing to the eye as it is engaging. Finally, don't forget to keep your audience in mind while designing your sway. What might engage a group of school children may not work for a board of directors. Tailor your content, media, interactivity, and design to your audience's needs and interests. With these strategies, your sway is sure to captivate your audience. Sharing your sway is as easy as clicking a button. Once you've finished crafting your visual story, it's time to let others experience it. On the top right corner of your sway, you'll find the Share button. Click on it, and a variety of options will appear. You can choose to share your sway publicly, making it available for anyone on the web to see. Or if you'd prefer to keep it within a select group, you can share it with specific individuals. Simply enter their email addresses, and they'll receive an invitation to view your sway. For a more controlled sharing, you can opt to generate a shareable link. This allows you to decide who gets access. You can even control if they can edit your sway or just view it. Remember, sharing is about engaging with others. It's about giving them a chance to step into your story and experience it for themselves. Now you're ready to share your sway with the world. Scene script. Let's take a moment to recap the key points from this tutorial. We embarked on this journey by introducing Microsoft Sway, a digital storytelling app that allows you to create interactive reports, presentations, personal stories, and more. It's a versatile tool that's part of the Microsoft Office family, designed to help you express your ideas in a visually compelling manner. From there, we dived into the initial steps of using Microsoft Sway. We walked through the process of creating an account, which is as simple as signing up with your Microsoft or Office 365 account. Then, we explored the user-friendly interface of Microsoft Sway, highlighting its intuitive design that makes it easy for beginners to navigate. Next, we ventured into the heart of the tutorial, creating your first sway. We demonstrated how to start a new project, choose a template, and add content. We discussed the different types of content you can add, from text and images to videos and interactive elements, and how to arrange them in a way that tells your story effectively. After that, we tackled the challenge of making your sway engaging. We shared tips on how to use the design tools in Microsoft Sway to customize your presentation's look and feel. We also discussed how to use the navigation features to guide your audience through your sway and keep them engaged from start to finish. Finally, we concluded with the all-important step of sharing your sway. We showed you how to publish your sway so that others can view it, and how to share it directly with specific people or on social media. Throughout this tutorial, we've seen how Microsoft Sway empowers you to create visually stunning, interactive presentations that can captivate any audience. It's a tool that invites creativity and storytelling, and with the knowledge you've gained from this tutorial, you're ready to make the most of it. With these tools and strategies, you're well on your way to creating engaging, visually appealing presentations with Microsoft Sway. Thanks for watching, and happy swaying!